Hi you guys, welcome back to JR Colombian Emerald's Colombian Emerald Instagram, and today we're going to be doing a 14 karat no oil Colombian Emerald unboxing. Extremely rare. Come take a look. This emerald is certified no oil by Gubelin Laboratories, no indications of clarity enhancement, and it's also certified by SSEF. No indications of clarity enhancement, and origin obviously Colombia. The moment of truth. Unlocking all of its rare beauty, vivid muso green color, high luster, and incredibly clean eye clarity considering its major 14 karat size and no oil. I'll soon be doing a comparison with a lower quality Colombian emerald so you can clearly see the huge difference. Full finger coverage if that's what you're going for. Simply incredible in every way. Admire this stunning cushion cut Colombian emerald and admire its beautiful color and size, but let me compare it to the 14 karat just so you can see the drastic difference between the two stones. While a ring like this is easily worth $15,000 to $25,000, this emerald alone is worth well over hundreds of thousands of dollars, and you can easily see why.